Hello again, everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Today we're going to be taking you on a walkthrough tour of the Bellagio in Las Vegas. We're starting our walking tour of the Bellagio coming in from the Strip, and we're coming in from the side closest to the Cosmopolitan.
I know, it's crazy, huh?
The Bellagio is home to the iconic fountains, and they do have shows daily that run every 30 minutes Monday through Friday, starting at 3 and starting at noon on the weekends. And then from 7 p.m. to midnight, they run every 15 minutes. So this is something else we would highly recommend seeing. It's something that's super iconic to Vegas. So if you have a chance to see it, we would highly recommend. So right when you walk in from the Strip or from the front valet area, this is going to be reception to your left.
Well, should I stop and switch it out?
No way.
Because I can't see the light.
$5.
That's good? Sure, whatever you want. How often do they do that?
Something that the Bellagio has to offer that's really cool is the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens located inside, not far from the lobby. Unfortunately, we came as they were switching out the scenes. They do switch them out for summer, fall, and winter. And then they have an off season from January to May. So if you want to come and check out the gardens, which we would highly recommend, come during the second half of the year when they should be set up. Unfortunately for us, we caught them as they were setting up. So we didn't get to see the flowers this time, but we will definitely try and see them next time we come. Now we're walking towards the back area where the pools are and where the conference centers are.
Too hot? You want to put that on the backside? You want to come back in the summer? Yeah.
You want to like open the doors for me?
Los Sisters.
The Bellagio is one of the stops on the Aria Express tram, which is a free monorail that takes you to the shops at Crystals, the Bellagio, and Park MGM. Now we're walking back from the conference areas to the main part of the hotel. We're going to go through reception and into the casinos.
This thing is so pretty.
It's on glass.
Is it?
Yep.
This tuxedo's all blinged out, you see it? Yeah. That's pretty. I guess stressed out because there's so many people like in suits.
Yeah.
There's lots of food that has up there. Oh, I know. They're not all looking at your chest, you know?
You're saying I don't have the group?
Yeah. And your camera's not on. It was looking like you did before.
So hopefully we'll get all of them.
They used to do that. I guess maybe they don't. I don't know if there's a bridge, but I know we have to go like that way.
Okay.
Try and just be straight. And now we're going to be leaving the casinos and entering the shops that will take you back out to the strip. And this is going to conclude our walkthrough video of the Bellagio. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. We do a lot of Vegas content throughout the year, as well as Disney and just general travel content. So thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.